TR here. Welcome to our fourth video in the Navigating Our Calm Course series. This video is going to be about discussions. The discussions link is found on the menu bar, as you can see. Two important areas are involved with discussions. The first area is private discussions. So let's click on this link. It will take us to this window. What you will see is private discussions, and then you will see your name right here. You will click on your name. Once you click on your name, you're going to get a window like this. It will have your name here, and this is how you would start your process of communicating with me. So you click on Start a New Thread. You would indicate here what your subject area is, or what your concerns are or question is. And then over here, you would give me a detailed explanation saying, yeah, this is what I'm having trouble with. Can you please help me out? And then you post it. I will then reply to it within 24 hours. Two key points. One, private discussions are private. Only I can read private discussions. Nobody else can. Secondly, private discussions are not meant for assignments or discussion postings. Remember, this is a place where you want to communicate with me if you have concerns or issues. So I'll just close this window. And we'll go to the second part of the discussion. Now, this is a content page, and you'll see that there's two pages that have been created regarding the career exploration, which is a discussion assignment. So as you read all the content, you will find a template. Once you open that template and fill in that template according to the information that we're asking you to provide, then what you're going to do is you are going to go to Discussions in your menu bar, right? You will go to Discussions, and you will open up this window. Then you will go and open the Career Exploration Discussion Assignment thread, and that will open this window. And what you do is you're going to start a new thread. You click on Start a New Thread. You put your subject, any information that you want to give, and if you're using a template, strongly recommended, you would click on Add a File. Find the file and make sure it's attached, and then you would post that document that you're adding. Right? So, key points. Discussions, there's two parts. There's the private discussions, and then there's say a career exploration or emotional wellness, and you would submit your assignment in these forums. Again, if you have any questions, you know you need to use your private discussions, and I'm always happy to help. Have a great day. Take care. Bye now.